The Cobra Combi, a powerful combination tool for braking and drilling on smaller jobs. Highly portable and extremely versatile, thanks to its self-contained gasoline engine and wide assortment of attachments. The Cobra Combi is a reliable work partner. This film will show you a few of the Cobra's most common applications. When working with the machine, be sure to use proper safety equipment, such as a helmet, hearing and vision protection, gloves, and steel-toed boots. We'll start by starting the machine. On the top of the machine, you'll find instructions for both cold and warm starts. For cold starts, make sure that the stop button is in the right position. When the machine is cold, the choke should be set to max. Pull the start cord a few times until the first puffs come. Open the choke a bit and pull the start cord to start the machine. Let the machine idle 2 to 3 minutes to warm up, slowly opening the choke all the way. If the machine is already warm, the choke should be set to open upon starting. Start the machine and get to work. Let's take a look at some of the jobs you can use the breaker for. Remember, the switch should be pointing upwards in order to disengage rotation. Drilling down, braking up. The Cobra is easy to use in smaller asphalt work and repairs. When breaking up a square, first scribe a line with the edge of the tool. Then break through the asphalt and lift it out. If you need to break up larger areas, start at the edge and break it up bit by bit. Smaller areas can be restored using the tamping tool. The tamping pad may also be used to compact new asphalt, should you choose to lay it instead. As you can see, the Cobra is an efficient tool for breaking up concrete. Always start breaking at the edge. Let the machine work down into the material. Then move it sideways or deeper, depending on the situation. If the material is hard, you might have to break at several points before the piece loosens. The Cobra is excellent for tie tamping. The best way to tamp ballast is to start upright and then work your way under the tie. Tamp a few seconds, lift the machine, and repeat the process. This way, all the ballast will be vibrated, settling and filling any cavities. The machine is perfect for smaller digging jobs. While one person breaks up the ground with the Cobra, another can follow behind, removing loose material from the ditch. With that done, it's easy to lay cable or pipe, cover it again, and tamp it with the tamping pad. Let's take a look at how the Cobra can be used in setting fence posts. First, make a hole using the post hole driver. Put the post in the hole. Change to the driver pad and place it on top of the post. Help each other keep the machine and post straight as you drive it into the ground. As we saw earlier, the Cobra makes digging simple. But just look how easy it is to remove a post. We've seen the Cobra's versatility in braking. Now let's take a look at its drilling capabilities. Move the switch to its downward drilling position. Depending on the material, there are different types of drill steel to be used. The right bit saves time, effort, and money. Avoid drilling larger holes than necessary. When collaring a hole, supporting the drill with your foot will help steer the bit until it bites. Always let the machine idle when collaring. Splitting rock is easy with the help of wedges. Drill at least 2 holes along the line where you want the rock to split. The holes should be around 12 to 16 inches apart and at least 16 inches deep. Insert feathers. Grease the wedges to ease the job. Drive each wedge a little at a time with a sledgehammer until the rock splits. You can also use the machine to drive wedges. This concrete block is light work. To split concrete, scribe a line and then mark an X where you intend to drill. Support the drill with your foot while collaring. Place the feathers in the holes. Grease the wedges and insert them. Now use the driver to drive the wedges. For our last drilling application, we'd like to show you just how easy it is to anchor a rock eyelet. Drill a hole corresponding to the dimension of the eyelet. Place the eyelet in the hole and hammer it fast using a sledge. It's that easy. When you finish a job, it's important that you drain the machine of fuel before stowing it in the car again. As you've seen, the Cobra is versatile, self-contained, and easy to use. A powerful and dependable teammate, designed to increase your productivity.